Hello everyone, this is Iron Man Jack. We're going to give you a little shot here on this 500-gallon reverse flow. As you can see, we got this large cavity box here. It's actually 12 inches off the ground, but we got these burners, propane burners here. We haven't installed them yet, but we need to put them in. And we also went in with the sink, the kitchen sink here, so for cleaning your hands. We also have a little tower here. You can put some water up there, a tank, so you can get that gravity flow, so you can clean your hands, prepare your meat. We got it opened up on this side. You see, we got all these rack slides out, large racks. Got a sheet of metal that runs all the way in it from one end to the other to give you that reverse flow and take it right back. And you have a drain hole in the inside, so drain your grease out. I also have these gates. They swing it around. I know you would like these. Just kind of giving you a little more shout out. We have plenty of airflow. Need a lot of airflow here. We got these saloon doors here. They open up, allow you to load it, get your airflow going in there also as well. Let me pull it up. We have a propane burner starter kit in here, and it'll run that propane. Got a little plug there also for quick clean out. And you'll like this smoker grill. Have a big old pipe here with let me see here, there you go. We got a little control handle here that'll allow it to open and close, keep the rain out of it. But I know you'll like this here. If you want one of these here, go to my website at www.ironmanjackalbany.com, and you can find these smoker grill. And give us a call at 229-296-6837. Thank you. Y'all have a blessed day. Iron Man Jack, we're gone.